to the Lego factory.
Stage 1. Melting.
We start with granules, stored in our giant hoppers, and melt them down using dragon fire. But Gary's asleep again. Okay, everyone, roar as loud as you can after 3. 1, 2, 3. Roar! Not loud enough. Again. 1, 2, 3. Roar! He's awake!
Stage 2. Molding.
Now our elephants squish the melted granules into the machine, and our octopus helps to mold it into Lego bricks.
Stage 3. Minifigure production.
Right! Now it's time to shrink you down and test the Lego-matic, turning you into a Lego minifigure. Yes. The machine is experimental, but don't worry, they'll be turned into minifigures of some form or another. Hold on, everyone. This is it. The transformation is complete.
Stage 4. Packaging.
I can't wait to see what you look like as a minifigure. You look awesome! Move your arms. Come on, give yourself a wave and strike a pose for the camera in 3, 2, 1.
Stage 5. Dispatch.
Ah, yes. The adventure continues. It's time to get packaged up inside your box and transported to one of our excited customers.
Let's get you from the factory to your new homes.
Get ready, everyone. This is the greatest